Dear students, today we are going to study about differentiability. What is the meaning of differentiation? We all say differentiate, differentiation. What is the meaning of differentiation? See, differentiation means the piecewise study of any curve. Piecewise study means that if we cut a curve into small pieces so that each and every point should be studied separately. So how do we check whether a given function is differentiable? That means it could be differentiated into its different pieces. Each and every point could be separated mathematically. So we are going to study about that. See, let us consider a function y is equal to fx. And let the graph of this function be like this. Consider a point a comma f of a. These are the coordinates of point A. Consider one more point B whose coordinates are a minus h comma f of a minus h. Similarly, consider a point C on this curve whose coordinates are a comma a plus h comma f of a plus h. Okay. Now join these points. Join A and B and join A and C. So AB and AC are two chords of the curve. Chords means straight lines. Now slope of a line joining 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So slope of chord AB will be f of a minus h minus f of a divided by a minus h minus a. And slope of chord AC is equal to f of a plus h minus f of a divided by a plus h minus a. Now, AB and AC are two chords of the curve. Now, consider that if we shift the point B towards A. Suppose we bring point B here and then join points A and B. AB chord will be represented here now. Now this chord becomes much closer to the curve. Similarly, shift the point C also towards A and then join A and C. Again this chord AC will come closer to the curve. And if this process is continued, that means we are shifting B and C more and more towards A, then these points B and C will finally merge at A. That means if we are bringing points B and C at A, that means the difference in their abscissa will approach towards 0. So we say if h goes to 0, points B and C will merge at A. Now, if these points will merge at A, then there will be only one point, and at any one point on any curve, we can draw only one tangent. Now, if the tangent is unique, then its slope will also be unique. So we say, if we apply limit h tending to 0 on slope of chord AB, f of a minus h minus f of a divided by a minus h minus a, then this is slope of tangent at a from left side. Similarly, if we apply limit h tending to 0 on f of a plus h minus f of a divided by a plus h minus a, this is slope of tangent at a from right side. Now, if it is a tangent, if these points merge at A, then this chord will behave like this. So, its slope should be unique. Hence, these two must be equal. Limit h tending to 0, f of a minus h minus f of a divided by a minus h minus a will be equal to limit h tending to 0, f of a plus h minus f of a divided by a plus h minus a. So this is called left hand derivative. And this is called right hand derivative. LHD and RHD. So we say that if any function is differentiable at any particular point, then at that point the left hand derivative and right hand derivative should be equal. For that, we also define a condition that first of all, left hand derivative and right hand derivative should exist finitely, because if they are finite, then only we can check whether they are equal or not. So these left hand derivative and right hand derivative must be defined finitely and should be also equal. So this is the way how we check the differentiability of a function at any particular point. Now, if the slope of tangent from left side and right side at any particular point on a curve y is equal to fx are equal, it means that point could be studied separately. Hence, we say that if a function is differentiable at all the points, then the graph of that function should be a smooth curve. Then only each and every point could be separated and studied separately. Okay, so this was my discussion on differentiability. Now, if you like and follow, so please subscribe my channel as well as like my share and like my video. Thank you.